Step 1. Turn on your mobile phone. And Step 2. Click on these ads just like this. And Step 3. You make money and boom. As simple as that. So right now, I want you to take a look at all of these real payment proofs right here. And people from all over the world, they're able to make money online right on this website. Let's take a look at these. $35, $32, $14, and $50. So let's go down below. You can see here, there are literally hundreds and hundreds of different people. They're able to make money online by simply clicking on ads. Here's how much money you can earn from this. Clicking on one ad, you can earn $1.50. So when you click on 10 ads, you can earn $50. And when you click on 20 ads, you can earn $30. And when you click on just 50 ads, you can earn $75. All you need is just a mobile phone or a computer. This method is 100% free. You don't need any investment, and this is available worldwide. So in just a moment, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll show you some real-life examples on how to do this. And on top of that, I'll be giving away a lot of special tips that can help you double your money compared to other people. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and do not miss out on any important steps. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So right here, very important, in just a moment, I'll show you how you can click on ads just like these, using a phone or computer, and you can make a lot of money online just like all of these guys right here. $5 US, $10 US, and there are literally hundreds and hundreds of them right here on this website. They're making real money. So first of all, I want you to go out to the website right here, which is called scarletclicks.info. So basically, right on this website, you get paid by simply clicking on ads using a phone or using a computer, which is very simple, and I'll show you another example right here on this video. As you can see here, the total payout is over $2 million already to a lot of members from different parts of the world. Over 922,000 members right now. So right now, I want to show you how to sign up for a free account. You're just going to click on this button on top to register, and that's going to take you to this page. As you can see here on the registration page, you're going to put in your full name, your date of birth, and your username, your password, and put in your email address right here, which is very important. And when you scroll down below here, under payment account, you can put in all the details where you want to receive your money. For example, you want to receive your money in Payeer, Neteller, Skrill, AirTM, Dash, and if you want to receive your money through PayPal Money and as well as bank transfer, it is also available. You can set that once you log into your account. Once again, I want you to comment down below and let me know what's your preferred payment method in your country right now. Once you fill in all the details, you can just do this image verification. So in this case, which is this one over here. So once I've dealt with that, I'll click on this one right here to agree to the terms and conditions and click on this register button, as simple as that. So right now, you're able to log into your account on scarletclicks.info and you're able to find different ads that you can click on and actually be able to make money online. So on the right section here, you can see that people are actually making money online $1.50 over and over again by simply clicking on ads while you're on this platform. So right now, very important, this is actually a picture, but it contains a lot of small little boxes that you can see here. Now every single time, if I click on the small little box, that's going to take me to a random website. And you have to stay there for 30 seconds, and you're able to earn $1.50. So say for example, when I click on the next box right here, for example, if I click on this box, that's going to take me to another random website, as you can see right here. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now this is very important. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to click on anything. Just stay on this website for 30 seconds and you can receive $1.50. And the reason why I love these websites so much is that there are a lot of boxes in this one picture. And every single time I click on the boxes right here, I can actually make money online. So right at the bottom, you can see here the total number of boxes in just one picture. So there are a total of 560 boxes from just one picture. And every single time I click on the ads, I'm able to earn $1.50, which means from this one picture alone, I'm able to earn $840. So right here, it is very important that clicks are going to be set daily at midnight server time. After 12 a.m., the boxes right here are going to refresh, and you can click on them once again and actually visit different websites. Stay there for 30 seconds and you can receive your money as simple as that. And the good thing about this is that once you've finished one picture, you can go on to another picture right there. This is another photo, and there are a total of 560 boxes in just one photo, and you can just click on them and be able to make money online. So right now, this is a bonus tip that I want to give you, that sometimes on some random boxes that you click, you're able to actually unlock some video ads, and you can see here. So right now, if you go onto a video instead of a website, this is actually good news because you can earn double the amount of money where you can earn $3. So right here, as you can see, this is actually a video ad displayed on the video. So I'm going to just wait for the entire advertisement to run and be finished all the way until the end. And that's where you can earn $3, as simple as that. So from my personal experience, out of 560 boxes right here, only about 10 boxes are going to go onto a video. As you can see here, where you can earn $3, meaning double the money, or otherwise most of the boxes are going to take you to a random website. Say for example, if you click on this box right here, and that's going to take me to this website, as you can see here. There's no video, and you can only earn $1.50. And once again, you have to wait for 30 seconds so that you can actually receive your money, and that's what I want to share with you. Another bonus tip is that when you visit a certain website, if they have banner ads, as you can see here, exactly a banner ad, when I click on that, you're able to go on to visit a special website. There are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 banner ads right here, where you can earn extra money whenever you click on that. So say for example, when I click on these banner ads, I'm going to go onto this page, and once again, do not do anything, okay? Don't click on anything yet. Don't sign up or anything. Just stay there for 30 seconds and you're going to receive your money. And that's one thing I like about this website is that they actually pay you extra bonus money if you are the best earner of the month. So the more boxes and the more ads that you click right here on this website, you can earn more money online. And on top of that, you're going to receive bonus money every single month. So if you're watching right now, please like this video and comment down below and let me know you're still watching because I want to give you a final bonus tip where you can earn extra money by just referring other people and inviting your friends or your groups or your family. Right here on this website, you can actually receive extra money. So for example, this person right here is able to refer some friends and this person is able to earn an extra $8. So as you can see, a lot of people are able to make money by simply referring to other people. And whenever their friends make money, they're gonna earn some percentage from them. So right here, as you can see, a lot of people from different parts of the world, they're able to make money on this website. I want you to comment down below and let me know if your country's flag actually appears on the video, or otherwise, just comment your country down below and let me know where you are coming from. As you can see here, there are just so many opportunities right here on this website. People are making $10, $44, $53 or $10. There's just so many people right here making money clicking on ads, which is very simple that anyone can do this.